dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my human hair wigs. There's a live that I shared with you some few days ago, and most of you wanted to see my human hair wigs. So I think I'll do a part 1, part 2 and part 3 because I don't want the video to be so long. I'll separate the videos for the straight one, the curly one, and for the short ones. If you're interested in these wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below. And guys, just know that my human hair wigs are very affordable, as low as 55, 45, 65 and the human hair. And you can also check my website, and also if you want to contact me directly, I'll leave my number in the description box down below as well, or in the comment section down below. I have the ones that have frontal, the one that have like very small closure, and the one that have 4x4 closure. So like for this one, it has a small closure. This one right here, it has a bigger closure. So this is the first one. It has a very small closure right there, and then it has an adjustable strap. So if you want it to fit, you're just going to crisscross them right there, crisscross, insert it there like that, and then pull this other side, insert it in this other loop, and when it's like this, it's going to fit. You really don't even need a band if you do that. So, and then I'm not going to cut the lace on this video because again, they're clients' wigs, so I really won't cut the lace. This is just to show you the type of wigs that I have that are human hair.
Faded in this dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I can't go on to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just that I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV.